The 20th century witnessed a profound change in our understanding of the universe and our ability to manipulate its fundamental forces. From this scientific endeavor emerged a technology both awe-inspiring and terrifying: the nuclear bomb. These weapons, capable of unleashing unimaginable destruction, marked a turning point in human history. Understanding how they function is crucial, for it reminds us of the stakes, the very survival of our civilization. Nuclear bombs operate on the principle of nuclear reactions, processes that occur within the nucleus of an atom. These reactions have the potential to release tremendous amounts of energy, far exceeding anything possible with conventional explosives. There are two primary types of nuclear bombs: fission bombs and fusion bombs. Both are incredibly powerful, but they achieve this destructive potential through different mechanisms. The development of nuclear weapons has had a profound impact on international relations, leading to an era defined by the chilling prospect of mutually assured destruction. The very existence of these weapons serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of peace and the importance of diplomacy. Fission bombs, also known as atomic bombs, were the first type of nuclear weapon developed. They derive their energy from the process of nuclear fission, the splitting of an atom's nucleus into smaller fragments. This splitting is triggered when a neutron, a subatomic particle, strikes the nucleus of a heavy, unstable atom, such as uranium-235 or plutonium-239. When the nucleus splits, it releases a tremendous amount of energy, along with more neutrons. These newly released neutrons can then strike other nearby nuclei, causing them to fission as well. This sets off a chain reaction, with each fission event releasing more energy and more neutrons, leading to an exponential increase in energy release. This chain reaction is what gives fission bombs their incredible destructive power. The first atomic bombs, developed during the Second World War, used this principle to devastating effect. The cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki stand as grim testaments to the destructive power of fission weapons. The development of fission bombs marked a new era in warfare, one in which the potential for destruction had reached unprecedented levels. Fusion bombs, also known as thermonuclear bombs or hydrogen bombs, are even more powerful than fission bombs. They derive their energy from nuclear fusion, the process that powers the sun and other stars. Fusion involves fusing together the nuclei of light atoms, such as isotopes of hydrogen, deuterium, and tritium, to form heavier nuclei, such as helium. This fusion process releases an even greater amount of energy than fission. However, achieving fusion requires incredibly high temperatures and pressures, conditions found naturally only in the cores of stars. To achieve these conditions on Earth, a fusion bomb uses a fission bomb as a trigger. The fission explosion creates the necessary heat and pressure to ignite a fusion reaction in a secondary stage containing the fusion fuel. The development of fusion bombs in the 20th century further escalated the arms race between superpowers. These weapons, with their immense destructive potential, became symbols of both technological prowess and the terrifying possibilities of unchecked scientific advancement. The effects of a nuclear explosion are nothing short of catastrophic. The initial blast wave levels buildings and structures, while intense heat ignites fires that rage for miles. Radioactive fallout contaminates the environment, poisoning the air, water, and soil, and posing long-term health risks. The electromagnetic pulse, EMP, generated by the explosion can disable electronic equipment over a vast area, crippling communication and infrastructure. The use of nuclear weapons, even on a limited scale, would have devastating consequences for humanity and the planet. The long-term effects of radiation poisoning, environmental contamination, and potential nuclear winter could render vast areas uninhabitable for generations. The development of nuclear weapons stands as a stark warning of the potential for human ingenuity to be turned towards destruction. In a world still grappling with the legacy of nuclear weapons, the importance of non-proliferation efforts cannot be overstated. International cooperation, diplomacy, and arms control agreements are essential to preventing the further spread of these devastating weapons and ensuring that the horrors of nuclear war remain a relic of the past. The quest for peace in the nuclear age is not merely a political goal. It is a moral imperative, a responsibility we owe to ourselves and future generations.